Hi friends, if you have been looking for a way to make your wife happy, in today's video I'm going to share with you things that women love from men. Things that wives love from their husbands. What women expect their husbands to do. This is a video for you. Stick around, subscribe, turn on the bell, and let's get right into the video. The first thing that women love security. A woman wants to always feel safe in the hands of her husband. They always want to feel protected from external pressures. There are those people that are on this earth to hate your wife. Some of them, she does nothing to them. Others just don't like her. So as a man, you're supposed to stand by her side, protecting her from anything, that could bring her emotionally down, psychologically down, or physically down. So every woman wants a man who will always stand by her side and be like, babe, it's going to be over. Someone they can depend on, someone they can lean on. Sometimes you find that when we get married, we find that the husbands are so much attached to their siblings and their families, and you find this woman is an odd man out. You have your meetings, she's nowhere. She's the one always behind curtains. She's the one always doing this. No one even cares whether she has had lunch. Some in-laws do not like her and they will always show that to her, even in your presence. So as a man, you're supposed to be an independent man that will show up for your wife in those hard times, that will defend her and make her feel secure in your hands. Most women love that. And secondly, women love attention. A woman will fail even to eat because the husband did not give her attention. Now, when we talk of attention, we don't mean you have to be home every day. No, women need someone that can listen to them, someone who will understand them, someone that will consider their ideas, someone that will be there to listen to their problems. As women, when we grow, when we produce, when we go into work and everything, life gets tough, and we always need this one person that you will come and share your burdens with, someone you will come and laugh with, someone that you will jazz and laugh out, someone that will give you a listening ear, someone that will understand you when everyone else is judging you. That is a husband that every woman prays to have. Someone who can attentively listen and understand his wife's needs. Attention is the key to a woman's heart. Then number 3, support. If you want your wife to be this good mom, this beautiful wife, this submissive wife, you need to support her emotionally, financially, psychologically, spiritually. We need support. Remember, when we get married, we have come into your life as companions. We are just helpmates. Even the Bible says a woman is a weaker vessel. Not that we are weak, but we are this kind of vessel that needs extra protection, that needs provision, that needs support. So you need to be there supporting your wife in all ways. If it means prayer, support her in prayer. If it is financial, support her financially. Very sad that some men do not give their wives money. And they think women love money, women love money, women. Now you will not get anywhere. A woman who does not love money. Money is very important in our lives, both you, a man, and your wife. So if that is what makes her happy, give her, and that's why you find so many married women cheat, because another man out there is giving them support, is giving them financial support, is giving them emotional support. He's there for them when they are sick, they call, and that person comes in their lives when the husband is very busy thinking, a woman will want to be cared for. They love to be supported. And I love to be supported, especially by my husband. I feel so good. Yes, God intended it that way. That's why when he was telling Eve, he told her that your desire shall be upon your husband. So every time your woman asks you something, don't be like, women love money, women love this. Yeah, they love to be given. The biggest love language of every woman that I know is gifts, receiving after receiving. So that is the kind of a husband that every woman wants to have. A husband that will support them. And then there's the next thing that women love, they love intimacy. Now, intimacy does not only mean sex, it means this indescribable closeness that you have with your wife. Someone that is close to you that can tell you even the deepest of their hearts. That is what women dream about when they talk about husbands. They want someone that is going to be their friend, someone they are going to, long to have, someone is going to hug them. When it comes to sex and romance, someone that is going to sexually satisfy them. Women love sex, even men do. So women, if they are not sexually satisfied, they can go ahead and cheat, or some of them, they go ahead and switch off their minds that they will not satisfy you as well. So women love that intimate person, someone who will be intimate with them in prayer, in sex, in parenting, someone that will be that close. you know so if you're a man, I'm copying for you things that we love. A lot of things that we need. We love men who spend quality time with us. As a husband, your wife needs your time. Your wife needs to sit with you down and tell you how the children, how motherhood is, how work is hectic, and you talk. That cannot be possible if you don't have time. You know, women love men who give them that kind of attention, and that's why when you look even in the Bible, when Adam did not give Eve attention, something bad happened. That couldn't have happened. Whenever you don't give your women attention, something bad happens in their minds, in their hearts, because we as human beings, we are all exposed to temptations that are not nice. Anything can happen. And then women love appreciation. A man will appreciate, thank you for cooking, well done. This was a good meal. This is a nice dress. Thank you for caring for children. A man will appreciate you. That is what women love. And then they also love a man that will respect them, respect their emotions, respect their opinions, their ideas, respect the things they contribute in a family. Yeah, that is what women want. They also love acts of service. A man that is going to help you carry this baby, a man that is going to help you, get water from the tap, a man that will one day wake up and lay this bed for you. Yeah, a lot of things. Acts of service. Yes, and also women love words of affirmation. When you wake up and you find her, good morning, my love, you look beautiful. And you have never looked beautiful like this. Hey, we need those words more than before from the mouth of our husbands. We love them. You look so smart today. Yes, I love your hair. You look so good. Yes, you know, those words of affirmation, they melt women's heart. Women love a lot of things, but when you look at the list that I've shared, they are more than this, but at least all of them, they are around that place. Women love a man that will love them unconditionally, without judging them, with all understanding and humility. I know if you have been looking for a way to make your wife happy, this video will help you.